Today, we will be discussing the rules and regulations that cosmetic manufacturers must follow to ensure their products are safe and of good quality. Cosmetic regulations vary by country, but the goal is the same to protect consumers and ensure the safety and proper labeling of cosmetic products. In this video, we will look at the regulations that different countries use to control cosmetics manufacturing. Role of regulatory bodies. Different countries have their own regulatory bodies that control the cosmetic industry. In the United States, the FDA, Food and Drug Administration, regulates cosmetics under the Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act (FDCA) and the Fair Packaging and Labeling Act (FPLA). In the European Union, the European Medicines Agency (EMA) and the European Commission regulate cosmetics under the EU Cosmetic Regulation. In India, the Central Drug Standards Control Organization (CDSCO) oversees cosmetics under the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940. In Canada, Health Canada regulates cosmetics under the Food and Drugs Act and the Cosmetic Regulations. In Australia, the Therapeutic Goods Administration is responsible for cosmetic regulations. Though each country has its own rules, all these bodies aim to ensure cosmetics are safe for consumers and correctly labeled. Safety requirements for cosmetics. Cosmetics manufacturers around the world must follow some strict rules to ensure the safety of their products. This includes clear and honest labeling of products using safe ingredients, following good manufacturing practices (GMP) to ensure products are made safely and consistently. Before starting a cosmetics manufacturing unit, manufacturer must get a license from the regulatory authority in their country. They need to submit an application with details about their company, products, and manufacturing processes. After that, their manufacturing facility will be inspected to make sure it meets the safety standards. They also have to pay a fee to get the license. Prohibition of certain cosmetics. There are certain cosmetics that are not allowed to be manufactured or sold in most countries. For example, products with harmful ingredients like mercury or hexachlorophene are banned. Products with harmful levels of arsenic or lead are prohibited. Eye makeup containing coal tar colors is also not allowed. Loan license. In some cases, a person may not have their own manufacturing facility but still wants to make cosmetics. They can get a loan license, which means they borrow the manufacturing facility of someone else who has the proper license. This loan license is given to help people who want to manufacture cosmetics without owning a factory. They still need to follow all the rules and get approval from the relevant licensing authority. Offenses and penalties. If someone breaks the law regarding cosmetics, there are penalties in most countries. Some examples include importing cosmetics that are harmful or have banned ingredients, selling or manufacturing products that are not safe or are misbranded, incorrectly labeled. If these offenses are committed, the person can face serious penalties such as and fine. If the offense is repeated, the punishment may be even worse. In summary, cosmetics manufacturers must follow strict rules to ensure their products are safe, correctly labeled, and made in clean facilities. Different countries have different regulatory bodies and laws, but the goal is always to protect the consumer